Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on iPad Pro 11 M5. Let's begin. So, if you want to make sure that your screen rotation is working, all you want to do is just go into your control center by swiping from the top to the bottom, and then you have this little icon, lock icon. And if it's, let me just bump up the brightness a little bit, if it's disabled, then your lock will be unlocked. However, if it's locked like this, you can see that rotation lock is now locked. And if we try to, rotate our iPad, nothing will really happen. Instead, you just want to unlock it by going here, and now rotation lock is turned off and we can freely rotate the iPad however we please. And this is especially useful, the lock, if you are using it with addition to the keyboard, because then you just can have the basically a laptop or a MacBook right at your disposal if you have the screen rotation locked. Anyway, with that out of the way, that's literally it. Just make sure that you have this setting enabled and your screen rotation should be working without any issues whatsoever. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.